came into my head. I was just organizing my room, and I found these tiny little pots. So I'm going to attempt to make a miniature taco because I was going to make miniature pancakes, but I did that once. I didn't get any pictures, but it didn't work. So I'm going to try an attempt to make a miniature taco. It's not going to be like this small. It's going to actually be edible though, so I will be able to eat it. And it's not going to be like this small. It's probably going to be more like a that maybe. So I will go over to later Isla to see how this works. Here we go at my attempt to make a miniature taco. I'm going to use these little corn tortilla things that we have. And just to answer all your questions right now, it is going to be a hard shell tortilla. And you will see my idea to get that. So now I need to make a bit smaller of a circle. So I'm just going to use this jar lid as kind of a cookie cutter and then cut around it. This will be eaten later. So then we have this little circle. I don't know if you can tell, but then I'm going to fold it and toast it like this. So I saw this video on how to make hard taco shells. They used mini muffin pans, and then they kind of folded it like that, and then it kept it folded. It does work. So I am now going to put this in the toaster oven to make it hard. Now you might be wondering, well, this is toasting. Isla, you have a new shirt color. No, I don't. And I'm going to do a vegetarian miniature taco because there would be no sense in making a teaspoon of ground beef or chicken just for that tiny little taco. So I'm just going to do lettuce, tomato, sour cream, cheese. Cheese is meat. Is it weird to make the shredded cheese even smaller? I'm going to pull the tiniest bit out and chop it. I think it's done. I'm just going to keep it in its upside down position like that to prevent it from falling apart. So now I'm going to add the tiny miniature cheese. That's so tiny. Looks so good. Now the tiny lettuce. Tell me this does not look like a miniature taco. And some diced tomatoes. Sorry for the interruption in the background. There's a groundhog or little weasel thing in our yard. We don't know. So here's a little diced tomato. Beautiful. Look, we have the lettuce, the tomato, the miniature taco. Now to test it. It's missing so many things that a taco needs. There's no meat, no sour cream. It just has cheese for meat. Very odd, but it's actually really good. This is actually really good.